Hi everyone, welcome to week 3 of Arts and Crafts. My name is Miss Shannon from the Macedon Public Library, and this week we are going to be making these jungle-themed binoculars. So after you make your binoculars, you can go around your house or take these outside and see what kind of animals you can spot. So we do have some kits here at the library that you can pick up if you would like to stop by while supplies last. In your kit, you are going to get 2 toilet paper rolls, and then you're also going to get some string as well. So those are the 2 things that come in your kit. You're also going to need some duct tape. I'm going to be using some red duct tape today. You can use whatever is available to you. And then you're going to need something to decorate your binoculars. As you can see for this one, I chose to draw on a tiger pattern. So I used orange and black to make my tiger pattern, but you can choose however you would like to decorate your binoculars. You can make this as detailed or as simple as you would like. I'm going to be using some markers to decorate. If you would rather paint yours or maybe use some stickers, you can choose how you would like to decorate your binoculars. But once you have all of your materials, let's decorate ours together and we can make our binoculars together, all right? Let's get started. So I'm going to point my screen down so you can see my workspace. There we go, and we need to choose how we would like to decorate our binoculars. So I have chosen a leaf pattern that I'm going to make, and we're going to finish decorating this one together. So I still have a little bit more that I need to decorate, but we're going to do that together. So I decided on a leaf pattern. So I'm going to be using a green marker, and I'm going to draw some leaves that you might find in the jungle on my toilet paper roll. And again, you can choose however you would like to decorate yours. Maybe you just want to do one color, or maybe you can draw some jungle animals on yours. That would be really fun as well. So I'm just making some green leaves. Or maybe you want to do a different animal pattern. Do a giraffe pattern, a zebra. So there's lots of different animals that live in the jungle. So we're going to finish up here. I just did a little bit so that we don't have to go through the whole decorating process. But yeah, go ahead and decorate however much you would like to. You can see I have some leaves all over both of my toilet paper tubes. So these are all decorated, and now it's time to assemble our binoculars. So these are going to go side by side because we're going to be looking through them. You're going to grab a long strip of duct tape. So I'm using this red duct tape. I just ripped off a long section, and you just need it long enough so that it can wrap around your whole toilet paper tubes. I'm going to set this right in the middle. You're going to press that down. And before you go any further, we're going to grab our green string. So grab your green string. And now we need to make a loop so that we can hang our binoculars around our neck. So this green string is going to be the string for our binoculars. So I'm going to press this on my tape. You can stick that down. This is going to attach that string for our binoculars. So I'm just putting each end on either side of my toilet paper tube. So you can see I stuck them right here. And now we're going to fold our tape around to secure our binoculars together. You can have a grown-up help you with this bit. We're just going to wrap those around on both edges. And now, there we go, press down. You want those to stick there real good so that they don't fall out. And once you're done, you have your binoculars and a string that you can put around your neck. And let me point this back upwards. I'll take this one off. And I will wear the binoculars that I just made. You can see all those leaves on here. You can put this around your neck so that it can hang here and you won't lose them. And now you can look through your binoculars and see if you can spot any animals around you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this activity, and I hope you guys enjoyed decorating your binoculars and having some fun with them afterwards. So we will see you again next week. Bye.